can click on chores, and you can kind of scroll through and see any of the chores that need to be completed yet. It's very visual for younger kids. You can kind of see here, potentially you could throw a photo where the 5 points is. Don't have any up right now. Click on it, send that I'm done. Depending on the Wi-Fi, it should go through. Yeah. And get the points. So you come over here, and this is the parent section. If I refresh this right here, the chore that I just said I was completed should pop up. And the parents approve it. That way kids don't halfway do their chores or anything. It's parents make sure that they completed them correctly. Click OK. And if we pop back over here to the kids, we'll check out the rewards, and you can see that the points were added. And the kids can go over here and select whatever the prize is that they want. So after that, it kind of just resets and